In this video, I'm about to show you guys how to buy Solana Memecoin on Dextools. So first of all, open up your Google Chrome, and here you can see I already on the Dex website. So simply go on the Dex website tools.io. So here you can see the menu of the Solana memes coins right over here. First of all, you have to select your network from the left top right corner of the screen. Select your network to Solana, and here you can see the all of the hot pair content and many categories. So simply tap on the latest one. So simply tap on honk, and here you can see the address of the hunk meme coin. So simply copy and go to another exchange app, and simply copy this and paste this address to buy this meme coin. So that's it. See you in the next